How to start a craft supplies e-commerce business. Welcome back to Side Income Secrets, where we explore innovative ways to earn money and build a fulfilling side hustle. If you love crafting and want to turn your passion into profit, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to start a craft supplies e-commerce business. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or just starting out, this guide will help you take the first steps toward launching your online store. First things first, let's talk about the importance of finding your niche. The craft supplies market is vast, so it's crucial to identify a specific area that resonates with your interests and skills. Are you passionate about knitting, scrapbooking, or maybe DIY home decor? By focusing on a niche, you can tailor your product offerings and marketing efforts, making it easier to attract a dedicated customer base. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to conduct some market research. Take a look at existing e-commerce stores that sell craft supplies. Analyze their product selection, pricing, and customer engagement. Pay attention to what customers are saying in reviews and social media. This research will provide insights into what products are in demand and how you can differentiate your store from competitors. Next, let's discuss sourcing your products. You can either create your own craft supplies or purchase them from wholesalers. If you're making your own items, ensure that you have the necessary materials and tools to produce quality products. If you're sourcing from wholesalers, look for suppliers that offer competitive prices and reliable shipping. Building good relationships with your suppliers can also lead to better deals and exclusive products. Now that you have your products lined up, it's time to build your online store. There are numerous platforms to choose from, such as Shopify, Etsy, or WooCommerce. Consider your budget, technical skills, and the features you need when selecting a platform. Make sure to create an attractive, user-friendly website that showcases your products effectively. Use high-quality images and write engaging product descriptions that highlight the benefits and unique aspects of your supplies. Don't forget about branding. Establishing a strong brand identity is key to standing out in the crowded e-commerce space. Choose a memorable name, design a logo, and develop a cohesive visual style for your website and social media channels. Your brand should reflect your passion for crafting and resonate with your target audience. Once your online store is up and running, it's time to drive traffic to your site. Utilize social media platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook to showcase your products and engage with your audience. Share crafting tips, tutorials, and behind-the-scenes content to create a community around your brand. Consider using paid advertising to reach a broader audience, but always track your results to ensure a good return on investment. As you grow your e-commerce business, prioritize excellent customer service. Respond promptly to inquiries, address any issues with orders, and encourage feedback. Happy customers are more likely to leave positive reviews and recommend your store to others. Lastly, stay adaptable and keep learning. The e-commerce landscape is constantly evolving, so stay updated on trends and new marketing strategies. Attend craft fairs, workshops, and online courses to continuously improve your skills and knowledge. Thank you for watching this guide on how to start a craft supplies e-commerce business. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Side Income Secrets for more valuable insights and tips. Remember, your crafting passion can become a profitable venture, so start planning today. Happy crafting, and see you in the next video.